Hedgehog. Noun. A small mammal, of the family Erinaceidae or subfamily Erinaceinae, the latter characterized by their spiny back and often by the habit of rolling up into a ball when attacked. Hedgehog. Noun. A type of movable military barricade made from crossed logs or steel bars, laced with barbed wire, used to damage or impede tanks and vehicles. Czech hedgehog. Hedgehog. Noun. A form of dredging machine. Hedgehog. Noun. Certain flowering plants with parts resembling a member of family Erinaceidae. Hedgehog. Noun. A kind of electrical transformer with open magnetic circuit, the ends of the iron wire core being turned outward and presenting a bristling appearance. Hedgehog. Noun. A way of serving food at a party, consisting of a half melon or potato etc. with individual cocktail sticks of cheese and pineapple stuck into it. Hedgehog. Verb. To array with spiky projections like the quills of a hedgehog. Hedgehog. Verb. To curl up into a defensive ball. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.